No pressure tonight. I just wanna tell the truth, small. See you again did something strange, like gold lights breaking in heavy rain. I was calm before your face, you're right. Now my chest moving like alive, alive. And I know pity from your eyes. No rescue story, no dramatic lines. I just know this love still lives in me, soft like smoke under burnt debris. Maybe not you, maybe not life. Maybe my heart just tired of hiding. 'Cause every time I see beauty, boom boom inside me, like pain never touched this heart before. Boom boom softly, something opens in me, like love too big to stay indoors. I know that it shakes. I just get too much love to waste. Boom, funny thing, I don't even think not attraction alone is feeling deeper than wanting to own. I think my soul just missed tenderness, miss looking at somebody with no defense, miss a feeling warm for no reason at all, miss being human beyond control. And every beautiful girl I pass, my heart react too fast, not lust. More like a life saying, see, you still feel. Maybe I carry oceans nobody sees. Maybe love inside me bigger than me. Maybe some people know come to stay, they just remind your heart how to wait. Every time I see beauty, boom boom inside me, like the world's still sweet somehow. No fear tonight, no shame to feel alive. I let the softness happen now. I know they beg for love, I just finally got enough to give.